Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Are you looking for ways to organize your Christmas gift tags and ribbons? Well, if so, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I store my Christmas gift tags as well as the fabric ribbon that we use for wrapping presents. So I hope you find these tips useful. So as I've mentioned a few times before, we have to use fabric ribbon for wrapping presents in our house because one of my cats likes to chew on curly ribbon or the plasticized ribbon. So my first tip for you is to reuse the ribbon that you put on the presents and store it in some kind of storage container. And I've just used my label maker to make a label that says fabric bows on both ends of this container. And then inside, most of the ribbons that I've used for presents, I am storing in these Ziploc bags by color. So here's all my white ribbon, here's some burlap ribbon, some black and white polka dot ribbon, and so forth. That way, everything is color coordinated. If you need a particular color of ribbon, you can. Now there are some pieces of ribbon in here that are longer. Those were from some other projects that I put in here before I put the ribbon in that was used for packages. So I may go through later on and put those in the plastic bags as well, just so everything can kind of sit in here and be more file-like, so that you can just pull out what you need. Okay, as you can see, I have now put all of the ribbon into these Ziploc slider bags. And I really like to use the slider bags because you can leave just a little bit of an opening and then squeeze out all of the air, and it acts sort of like a vacuum seal bag. You can see how tightly it gets packed around the ribbon, and that way you can fit all of it into one spot. And I have a little helper today, Topaz. She's helping with that. She's about to climb into her kitty bed. Whoops, well maybe not. She likes to lie in there when the sun is shining in the window. My next tip involves how to store gift tags for presents. I like to buy all of my gift tags for Christmas after the Christmas season when they go on sale very cheaply. However, then I have some trouble figuring out how to store them. Well, a few years ago, I realized I could use a jewelry organizer to store the tags. So that's what I have done. I bought this jewelry organizer off Amazon. I'll put a link to it below if I can find the same one, or if not, I'll put a similar one. But what I've done is each type of tag gets its own little slot. And as you can see, lots of penguins. And then for the stickers, this particular organizer has these larger slots down below. So I've just cut the sticker tags so that they will fit into these larger compartments down at the bottom. And then this side is Christmas, but this is a double-sided organizer. And let me turn this around for you. If you do have gift tags that you get that are not Christmas, you can also store these on the other side. So you can use one side for Christmas and one side for non-Christmas. If you do use curly ribbon or you have smaller spools of ribbon, then I recommend this trick. This is a 4 level pants hanger. And what I have done is threaded these spools of ribbon onto the different pants hangers. And you can see this one, these are removable. So you can take them out and then slide the spools of ribbon onto them. Now some of my spools had holes that would fit over the foam. So I was able to just slide the foam off of the metal rod like so. So that's why this one still has some of the foam on it, but some of the other ones I had to take off because they wouldn't fit through the spool. But if I can find a similar hanger on Amazon, I will link it below. I happened to purchase this one at Tuesday morning. And then here's one last thing I thought I would share with you. Hello? Here's one last thing I thought I would share with you. My younger daughter is very particular about decorating, and this actually makes it easier to sort out presents. So what we have done is picked a theme for everybody who is getting a present. That way we know if it looks a certain way, they will get to have that present. Rather than having like all the presents under the tree follow one wrapping paper theme, or just like a hodgepodge of wrapping paper. So this year we have a group of people who are getting the wrapping paper that goes with, actually I showed that wrapping paper in a tablescaping video, but I put it out on a card with the name of the people who are at the top who are getting this theme. And then here's my card. So you can see picked out more like traditional colored wrapping paper for me. That way if people in our household are wrapping presents, they will know what papers to use for whom, so that it's easier to sort presents on Christmas Day when we have guests coming over. Also, we know which presents to put under which tree. We're going to put the people in the household under our main family tree in our living room, and then the guests that are coming later, which would include these presents, we're putting those under the tree in our family room. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you think you might try either of these tips that I've shown in this video. I appreciate all of you watching, and I hope you'll come back to see me next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.